To play YouTube videos in the background on the Samsung Galaxy A07, you have to simply go into the Google Play Store and you have to get this application, the black screen video screen off. Of course, by the way, you can play those videos in the background if you have YouTube Premium. If you don't have, then you have to go over here. So now, just open this application after you install it. Wait for the first loading screen. It will take around a few seconds. Of course, sometimes you will get some ads because it's a free application, you don't have to pay for it. There we go, and that's how it looks. Now as you can see, we can change some options. So for example, the full screen mode and the clock style. There's actually a lot of things that you can just customize to your preferences, but what we are looking for is the option to actually play some videos in the background, right? So now if I'm gonna click start, we have to grant this give permission. Wait for the loading screen, and from the list of all available applications we have to select black screen, click on the switcher, and now we have to go back. There is another ad that we have to turn off. Now if I'm going to click start and accept that permission, what I have to do right now, I have to just go back into my YouTube application. Let's say I want to play, oh, maybe not a short video, but like this one. I'm gonna volume down a little bit, and now I'm clicking here. The screen is black. It's not draining that much battery, but you can hear sound in the background. There we go. And that's how we can actually get this feature on your Samsung smartphone without the YouTube Premium. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next tutorials for this device.